Chamomile is a gentle and soothing herb. You might know it as being able to help babies with any kind of teething or diaper rash, but you can also use it on the skin to help with any irritations because it has anti-inflammatory properties, which means that it helps with redness, irritations that are caused by dermatitis, acne, eczema, and even psoriasis. It's gentle enough to use for babies, adults. It's highly recommended for sensitive skin, and that's why we use it in our products. Most of the time it's unscented with our chamomile and calendula soap bar, and we also make our chamomile and calendula body oil. Together, these herbs are both gentle and soothing, and they can be used for all skin types. We also put it into our rose and chamomile facial serum. In this facial serum, we also use it as an essential oil because it's gentle enough for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. It has a fruity apple-like scent, and it still has its anti-inflammatory properties in the serum as well.